What's going everybody? In this episode I'll be showing you the Hot Wheels on the BuyBitcoinWorldwide.com website. This website will be located in the description box down below this video. Just a quick refresher. Wallets are Bitcoin wallets that run on internet connected devices like a computer, mobile phone or tablet. As Hot Wheels generate private keys on an internet-connected device, these private keys can't be considered 100% secure. Here is a quote from Jordan Turbiner, the founder of Buy Bitcoin Worldwide. Think of a hot wallet like your wallet today. You use it to store some cash, but not your life savings. Hot Wheels are great if you make frequent payments, but not a good choice for the secure storage of Bitcoin. Here are some wallets that are online and are web wallets. So green address. As you guys can see, it says Android Bitcoin wallets. Here is the Android wallets that are accepted on phones. So there are Wallet, Muslim, Bird Wallet, Edge, Greenbyte, Bitcoin Wallet, and that's it. There are other like iOS and iPhone Bitcoin wallets, desktop wallets. You can read this description to find more about the website. You can also find us on the Buy Bitcoin Worldwide. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can go to the WizCoin website. It will be located in the description box down below for you. And there are over 150 pages that you can read. And thanks for watching, and I hope you learned the online Bitcoin wallet.